Welcome to my channel, Learn English Language Skills. Today we're going to learn about this lesson, A Gift of Chappals. But before I take you through the summary of this lesson, I want to ask you a very important question. And the question is, should you pay attention on the quality of the chappals that you're wearing? Should you just buy cheap quality, or should you spend extra money to take care of the quality? Yes, you should buy good quality chappals, because if you don't, then it might harm you. Your feet will start aching, it'll harm your calves, your legs, your knees, and this harm will be irreversible. So to save yourself from future problems, please pay attention on the footwear that you're wearing. And if somebody wants to gift you chappals, ask them to gift you good ones, not something like this. Just look at the footwear. What are we doing to our feet, I wonder? So please do not wear this kind of fancy stuff. Have some mercy on your feet. Now let's get started with our lesson, A Gift of Chappals. Okay, chappals is a Hindi word for slippers or footwear. Now I want you to do some research on finding out by what all names are chappals known. Find out more names for footwear. These are looking old and worn out chappals. They aren't looking new. You can see the depression formed. The chappals are showing their age. And they are music master's chappals, which he has left outside the house. So the main characters are Rukumani, Mridu, Ravi, Bati, Lali, Beggar, Gopu Mama, and of course MP Punnai the cat. Lali was learning to play violin from her music teacher. She is terrible in playing violin. As you can see in this picture, she's really bad. As customary, the music master leaves his chappals outside the house. He doesn't wear the chappals in the room. He leaves them outside. That was a custom there. And then he comes and teaches violin to Lali. The description you can see, the music master is a bit stout, kind of bald, scrawny toes, and a bit of oiled hair. So let's find out what is the role of chappals in this lesson. So one balmy afternoon, a beggar comes to their house for alms. Rukumani refuses to give anything to the beggar. Children see that the beggar's feet were blistered, so they gift him chappals. Those were music master's chappals. Music master is given Gopu Mama's new chappals. And how does the story end? The story ends with both being happy, the beggar as well as the music master. The beggar becomes happy because he gets to wear a footwear, and the music master becomes happy because he gets to wear new chappals. But what about Gopu Mama, whose chappals were given away? So you tell me, what would happen in the story if we continue the story, that when Gopu Mama comes and he sees that his new chappals are missing? What would happen? Right, some questions here. Do you think Gopu Mama would get angry at them? Second, do you think the children were right in doing what they did? Third, should they be punished for this act? Last one, should the elders learn from their act? enumerate. So these are very lovely, beautiful questions. Work on them. They might come in your exams. More critical thinking questions. First one, is it important to seek permission for doing good to others? Should you ask your elders that you want to do something for the poor, for the needy? Do you think you should ask? Second, are we helping the beggars by giving them things they need? Or we are making them dependent? So whatever you say, yes, we are helping, or no, we are not helping, please justify your answer with good reasons. Last one, what steps should the government take to stop people from begging? Now this is very important in today's scenario. We see so many beggars on the road. What should the government do to stop people from begging? Should they give them jobs? What if they are not qualified? What kind of jobs? Should they get some money, some wages in return of some labor? So I've given you some hints. You think more and write your answer. Experiential learning question. A beggar knocks at your car window. What would you do? These are your options. You can choose 1, 2, 3. All right. First one. So if he knocks at your car window, you will gesture him to go away, or you will give him some money, or you will turn your face, or you will shout at him, or give him a moral lecture, or buy him some food. So please write in the comment box what would be your option or options. English is really interesting if you make it interesting. So keep learning with me. I'm Vinita. Thanks for watching.